The 3-ingredient family rescue. Stop the takeout. This
Voila,
3-ingredient
a
bake is a
perfect
weeknight
lasagna
lifesaver
just
for
out of
busy
the oven.
parents. Parents, put down the takeout menu. This is the truth for a busy weeknight. Are you tired of the same old stressful dinner routine every single evening? Today,
So, to
I
get
am going
started,
to show you
we'll
the
need a
no
large
stresses
glass
way to feed
baking
your
dish.
family.
This one is perfect.
Step 1. Dump a bag of frozen ravioli right into a dish. No boiling required. Pour over your favorite jar of marinara.
A perfect start
Make sure
for a
every
delicious
piece of
family
pasta
dinner.
Is covered. Use a spoon to spread it evenly so every bite is flavorful and moist. Load it up with mozzarella. We're making a cheat code lasagna here. Bake it at 375 for 30 minutes until it's bubbly and golden on top. Dinner is served in under 5 minutes of work, perfect for your hectic schedule. Subscribe to TruthBytes for more family-saving hacks. Enjoy your evening. Class dismissed now. Go enjoy your evening and your delicious meal.